Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
A man accused of killing a teenager will stay behind bars until trial. Kevin Metzger is accused of shooting and killing 15-year-old Kyle Martinez in April of last year at Central and Unser. Police say two cars were exchanging gunfire. Today, the state argued that Metzger is a danger to the community, arguing he was wanted for another shooting when this one happened.
We all should be afraid.
And Mr. Metzger shot at an individual. He's been adjudicated guilty of that crime. He fled the scene, and then just shortly thereafter, while out at large, missing with a warrant waiting to be served upon him, fired upon two individuals, killing one, injuring another.
District Court Judge Bruce Fox agreed, deciding to hold Metzger behind bars until trial. Metzger is facing a first-degree murder charge.
He says he's sorry, but he's still claiming self-defense. 3 years after a teenage shooting killed a 15-year-old boy, that boy's family is getting some justice.
The man who pulled the trigger took a plea deal and was sentenced today. Julie Frendak shares what happened.
Metzger did not appear in court today. He gave his plea by phone, pleading guilty to second-degree murder, assault, and tampering with evidence as part of a plea deal.
Guilty, Your Honor.
Metzger shot and killed 15-year-old Kyle Martinez in April of 2020 in an apparent road rage incident.
And at that point, there was an exchange of words between the defendant and Mr. Martinez's vehicle.
Both of those young men had guns.
Martinez was shot 3 times. Metzger wasn't hurt. Judge Courtney Weeks heard from both Martinez's family and Metzger during today's hearing. Martinez's family says he made some mistakes, but he had a good heart. They described their ongoing grief that he was killed so young.
You not only robbed Kyle of his life, but me of my future.
Metzger said he's sorry.
First and foremost, Your Honor, I want to apologize to the family and you as well.
But he maintained he acted in self-defense.
I didn't know what Mr. Martinez's intentions were. I acted simply to protect myself, Your Honor. But I do understand the mistakes I made in this situation. I should have waited for police instead of leaving. I was 18 years old and scared.
The judge said Metzger could have done so many other things instead of shooting.
I want you to know that out of the two of you, only one of you was riddled with bullets and killed as a result of this, and that was Kyle Martinez, and it was not you.
She then imposed the agreed-upon sentence from the plea agreement, 18 years in prison, followed by 5 years probation. Metzger is currently serving a sentence on federal charges in California. When he finishes his sentence there, he'll be transferred to New Mexico to finish out the remainder of his prison time
Kevin
here.
Metzger,
Julie Frendak, KOB4.
Currently serving time for federal drug trafficking offenses, has admitted guilt to second-degree murder and other charges in connection with the killing of Kyle Martinez near Central and Unser.